How's it and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm currently sitting at Makorwani Hide in the Pilanesberg National Park in the northwest province of Southern Africa, and it's fairly late in the afternoon. It's about 4 p.m. and I thought I'd come here, spend a few hours and see if anything comes to the dam and drinks. It is currently July here in the Pilanesberg. It's winter and the park hasn't seen any rain for quite some time. A lot of the dams have got water in, but they're not as full as I've seen them in the past. On my game drive this morning, we had some awesome sightings of birds such as the crimson-breasted shrike. It's probably one of my favorite birds. So I'm currently locked onto an African spoonbill that's using its beak to sift through the water for food. There are two Egyptian geese behind it. These things are so common. I see them all over Southern Africa. Here we have a lonesome white rhino that's making its way down to Makorwani Dam to drink. It's quite nice how the sun is picking up the dust that it's throwing up with its feet. It looks really beautiful. It's putting mud on its horn, just like the massive male bull kudu we saw this morning that had put mud all over its horn. The reason they put mud on their horns is to... Jeez, look at these guys. Oh, we got some babblers making a noise here in the hide. So the reason animals put mud on their horns is to make themselves appear bigger and larger in an attempt to intimidate other males. And I wonder if this is why this rhino is doing the same thing. Here are some waterbuck that have come down to the dam to drink. Late afternoon drinks. Because Pilanesberg hasn't seen a lot of rain, there won't be any pockets of water that are scattered throughout the park, which means animals will be forced to come to water sources. We've got some really cool bird activity here. We've got what looks like a pair of spur-winged geese. Wow, look how that backlit sun captures the water droplets coming off of their feathers. That's amazing. Got a bunch of pied kingfishers hunting fish off the surface of the water. He's gonna come and drink. Oh, that's cool.
Is it a silverback?
Blackback.
Black.
Blackback jackal. I'm sure he wants those birds. He wants to eat those birds there in front of him.
Yeah.
Where did that jackal go?
Still around the water stage.
Oh, right.
He's right by, there's a good shot from us.
No, cool, I got him. Yeah, that's great.
luck with your
Yeah,
birds.
thank you very much, guys. Cheers, eh? So it's been a beautiful afternoon / evening here at Mokawani Dam. We were spoiled with a huge variety of birds that came to visit the water, and I also locked onto some ducks, and I also got a really nice shot of a grey heron feeding along the bank just now, as well as fantastic sightings of a rhino that came to mud up his horn, as well as have a little bit of a dust bath. And then finally, here towards the end, we were spoilt with a black-backed jackal coming down the valley to the water's edge and having a drink, and actually really filling up his tummy with a lot of water before heading off into the distance, into the night. As for me, I better start packing up and heading to the gate, and hopefully on my way out I get to see a brown hyena or maybe even a leopard. Let's see.